Everybody knows them. Flame-spitting Aventadors. But they had one big problem. The fuel tank vents. And here in today's video are two prime examples of, a misconstruction in Lamborghini Aventadors that has been fixed in 2017 and caused quite a few losses of those beautiful cars. But let's see how that happens. Yeah, here you see the first problem, revving it while it's still standing, and the whole exhaust gets so hot, so high in temperature that the misplacement of the fuel tank vents is just enough to set the whole car on fire. And let's see how this case goes on. I don't know if he tried to spit it out there, but didn't work so well.
Oh shit.
And I don't know if he tried to turn the flames off with wind, because I heard wind is not the best idea when you try to extinguish a burning car, I guess. At least, even if it's burning, still great sounding car. And at least he's catching everybody's eyes now.
Fucking hell.
By the way, I love that accent for real. It's quite amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think when he's turning that car on, the owner is shitting his pants. But I guess everybody's happy that it didn't completely blow up. Here another prime example in beautiful Dubai of the same behavior, revving while still standing, and the exhaust is getting super, super hot. And here we go. Yeah, the flame is starting to set the car on fire again, and let's see how quick he sees that something is wrong. I think the people who are seeing this are afraid for their lives that it's completely going to blow up, but thank God it didn't happen at that moment. the screams are getting more intense. And all the screams didn't help, obviously. I guess he was maybe driving around for, yeah, let's say half an hour till the whole car was totally lost. And then he found quite a nice parking space, as you see here, on a bridge. And yeah, now he at least has a nice fire, and yeah, that's what I call burning money. Ooh, it's like New Year's Eve. It's still a little bit popping, and yeah, showing his owner that is not willing to live anymore, but yeah, that's his fault, I guess. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, and then see you guys next time. Bye.